This is my first time trying to TIG weld. I got me some 100% argon gas, some feeder rods, and a piece of iron to try them TIG on. I didn't know what to expect, but to my surprise, it's going on great. Ta needle. Excuse me, let me just fast forward a bit. At the end of the video, you will see the TIG welding bits. Man, for my first time TIG welding, you guys know about love at first sight. Well, this is love at first trial. I love me some TIG welding. Well, I'll be damned. Look at that. I thought I'd be stuck in my tungsten down on the metal, but different results, great results. I mean, look at that bead. It ain't perfect, but for a first TIG weld, it's darn alright. Give you all a up close view. Tell me what y'all think about it for a first TIG weld. And with this result, I've come to the decision that I ain't gonna practice TIG welding. I'ma just do it.